Welcome back to the Caledonia Tech Department Foxbright tutorial series. In this video, we will discuss My Pages within Foxbright and what you are able to do once you have access to them. First, access your profile following the steps covered in the first tutorial. Click on Web Pages on the left. Three options should appear: My Pages, which allows you to access all your pages just as the name suggests; Page Tree, which allows you to access your assigned pages from the web admin; and Search Pages allows you to find pages quickly, which comes in handy when you have access to many pages. Click on the link to My Pages. You should be able to see all the pages that you have created that are connected to your profile page. For now, you should just have the one page, your profile page named after yourself. If you click on the blue gear wheel, you'll gain access to all of the following options. Edit allows you to go in and make changes to the given page, the same as clicking the blue page link. Add Page creates a link in your profile page to a brand new page. For example, if you would like class expectations, supply lists, etc. I will show you how this works in a future video. Preview allows you to see how the page looks when accessed from the district web page. Go to the web page, just as its name suggests, will take you to that corresponding web page. Show and Hide. Show displays the page when published. If there are a page that you wish not to be seen at the current time, simply hit Hide and it removes the page from view. Note, the Hide option is only available when the Show option has been selected previously. You won't see it now. Settings allow you to change names, search tags, and the layout. This will also let you configure redirects to another URL and alter the menus. We will talk about them in greater detail in the next video. Ready to publish signals to the web admin that you are ready for the page to be seen on the site. Works similarly to the Show option. That concludes the brief overview of My Pages on Foxbright. Please continue to our next video and we'll discuss page settings in depth.